Okay guys, so how are you gonna buy the match points? You can watch my video tutorial. You could ask the league owners who have shown you this video. But this time, I'm gonna show you how you can make money whenever you play for $1 in any of our Challenge Dragon games. Again, we have 8 Challenge Dragon casual games right now that you can download from your Android devices on Google Play Store. So let's go back. Ang minimum that we could buy match point is our currency being used to play for $1 to compete challenger. Either you challenge a friend or the entire world, the challenger. So every time we buy the $10, because the only minimum that you could buy from the company is $10. You can buy the $10 using credit card or e-wallet. Okay, so I'm not gonna discuss with you about the e-wallet, but this is the commission from our back office or e-commerce wallet, our virtual money or credit card. Now the minimum again is $10. Every $10 will give you 1,000 match points. Now, when you start playing for $1, the Challenge Dragon natin, every time you play for $1, this would deduct your match point, credit of match point 60 match point. So, ibig sabihin ganito lang. Kung if I challenge you $1, ito lang yun, magkano yung bumalik sa akin. Okay? So, look at this. So, basically, lumalabas sa $10 natin is, for every, ito yan for every $1 lumalabas, merong 100 match points, tama? Kasi diba, $10 is 1,000. So, divided by mo yan sa lumalabas lang. Every $1 may 100 match points. Kaya lang, pag nag-play ka, 60 lang yan. So, ano nangyayari? So, if you win for $1, if you play for $1, basically, kung nanalo ka, if you win, so meaning, $1, if we follow the 50 pesos exchange rate, so that is 50 pesos, right? So, ilaless mo ngayon dyan, yung alin? Yung iyong $1 na investment, right? So, which is how much? Kasi ang $1 natin, ang ating 60 match point is 30 pesos. Now, lumalabas, kung nanalo ka ng $1, binili mo lang yung 60 match points ng 30 pesos, tingi-tingi, i-less mo dito. So, lumalabas, ang net income mo is 20 pesos. Net yan, ibig sabihin, basing puhunan mo. So, every time, so, ganito lang yun. Magaling ka, you're skilled enough to challenge everyone, even your friends, or challenge dragons around the world, the players. Every time you win $1, you make in peso, in Philippine peso, you make 20 pesos. So, kung 5 beses ka nanalo, because magaling ka, every minute, take note, every minute, you make 20 pesos. So, what if you play for $5? What if you play for $20? Now, in $20, that is 1,000 pesos. Ang neto mo, kung mananalo ka ng $20 sa na-play, ang neto mo, 400 pesos. So, meaning, kung magaling ka maglaro, in 5 times ka naglaro, and you pay for $20, 400 pesos na neto mo by playing $20 game times 5 times, kasi 5 times ka nanalo, 5 times ka na so ang neto mo 2,000 pesos. Okay? So simple lang yon. Do the math, and if you have any further questions, you can go back to the person who showed you this video, and see you around on my next video tutorial. Thank you, and God bless you also. Bye.